Hi everybody. I wanted to show you how to build a green screen. This green screen here is 6 feet wide, 43 inches top to bottom, and it costs less than $6. And if you wanted to go out and pick it up today, you can just go to a fabric shop. They will cut it by the yard. So it comes in a bolt like this. It does have wrinkles like this, and I am going to show you the trick that makes this whole thing start to finish 10-minute project. Obviously you got to actually drive out there and buy some stuff, but it's under $6 for a 6-foot length. And if you need more or less, just when you're there, you ask them to cut more or less. I bought the whole bolt. That was 8 yards, and it was a little over $20 for 8 yards. It's $2.78 per yard at Walmart in California. Now, regarding wrinkles, most of us guys think we're going to have to stretch the thing to death and or iron it. That's not true. Here's the secret. Now, this is called Downy Wrinkle Release, but what you can buy at any of these fabric shops is what is called spray sizing. This is simply spray sizing in a huge bottle. You don't need a huge bottle. The other thing is, when you stretch out your material or while you're hanging your material, you don't have to stretch it out. You don't need to put tons of it on. What you will need to do is, if I were to spray this on like this, and there's a big wrinkle right here, you just really lightly go like this, and the spray sizing will get into the wrinkle and to the fabric, and it will relax it. So the whole thing was wrinkled like this. I put it up here, and here you can see my finger marks now, a little bit there. That'll go away as soon as it dries. It's no big deal. But the point is, this was cut, put up, and size. I put the spray sizing on, in and out in 10 minutes. And half an hour later, everything was dry, and it looked just absolutely flat. And as a green screen, it's absolutely perfect. The flannel that I'm using, and I put this in a photo later on, but it's this is called a solid flannel. It's 74222-47. And like I said, you can buy it. You can have it cut to the length that you want. One other thing is, if you wanted to make this top to bottom wider than 43 inches, it's really easy to either buy double-sided tape and then just squish it on, or the other thing you can buy for stronger applications is material glue. The other thing is, if you wanted to create a loop up here and be able to put a pole through it, you could easily just curl it over onto a bead of fabric glue, and boom, you would have a pole socket. So anyway, $2.78 per yard times 43 top to bottom, in and out in 10 minutes on this particular project here, and it just works absolutely perfect without any question. Good luck out there. Bye.